How to withdraw money from HeroFx. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to withdraw on any specific balance that you have on HeroFx. First is open up any web browser available and then head straight into HeroFX official site and make sure that you logged in into your account. Next thing you want to do at the left portion of your dashboard, just simply tap on wallet and then choose on withdrawal. Now, once withdraw is selected, all you have to do is to select your method if it's going to be Ethereum, USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, or Solana. Once you selected that, on step 2, you just have to specify the sum or to input the specific amount of the withdrawal. Now take note that if you haven't verified your account yet, you won't be able to execute this feature. So you need to verify it first and have this specific error message be removed. Now, once your account is verified and then on the last portion of withdrawal, you will see that you're about to withdraw a specific balance from your account and then choose on withdraw and hit on confirm for you to be able to withdraw it completely. And that is how you withdraw money from HeroFX.